pay attention is very important, guys. One thing that I realized when I start to transition from employment to entrepreneurship is how important our mind is. How important that our mind, with as much as possible, we are always engaged in what we do. Because in our business, we are not in the industrial age anymore. We are in an information age. People who get paid the most money are the people who uses their mind, right? Yung creative mind natin. And in this business, it is 100%. This is the what we will get paid for. Now, having said that, this mind is associated to our body. That is why if you are attending our training ng nakahiga, so pretty much you're telling your body to relax, and yet you try to learn and attend a training. That is not productive. So if you can, unless you are sick, go in a quiet place, shut the door, talk to your spouse, talk to your friends, talk to whoever is in the house, rather your kids, tell them that you're going to a training. Mulitin ko po, our mind and body is connected. So if you are like lying down, do not expect to learn a lot if you're just like lying down and chilling. You are not watching Netflix. You are not watching Yorme or Tulflex. You are trying to learn on how to escape that rat race. Escape yung buhay na trabaho, bayad utang, trabaho, bayad utang, trabaho, bayad utang. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.